everyone. So today I'm going to talk about the courses which are going and the courses which will be helpful for physics students. So in this pandemic situation we are all stuck in our home. So I thought that it will be helpful for you. It will be helpful for us if I share some courses which are basically very helpful, and also some of the courses are ongoing, and also this lecture will help the BSc student and also the higher level MSc student and research level student. So it will help all of you. So basically these are some general courses which I am going to tell about these websites. So they are providing free courses, and also you can just access the courses from this link. So let me first describe one by one. So this first course is about this computational. First link is about this computational physics. So it basically describes in Fortran, which is the language of preference in this course. So in this course, these first 5 lectures are basically on Fortran, and then from secondary we start basically this numerical integration, and then it start with this numerical Monte Carlo differential equation, Monte Carlo simulation, and numerical differential equation. It will be covered within this, I think, and then it describe in these 2 weeks it describe this Monte Carlo simulation. It will basically describe the Ising model, and here we will describe the differential equation, Runge-Kutta-4, Euler method, Euler modified method. There's and also then he will describe, this course will describe this boundary value problem, and then this course coordinator will describe this partial differential equation, and then quantum mechanical Schrodinger equation solve, and then this variational principle, all of the stuffs, and molecular dynamics, and then property calculation of molecular dynamics. And also here the video you can access, you can watch in YouTube. Also you can watch the video from here, the course platform itself, and you can also access the assignment, which are basically very helpful. So you can, if you do this assignment, then it will be very helpful for you, and there are solution also given. So you just need to see if you are correct or not while solving, and also you can download the video. You can also the transcript version of this video lecture, so which will be helpful. The next course is also on computational physics. So it is basically physics through computational thinking. So this course based on the Mathematica programming language. So this course describes about the Mathematica technical issues of Mathematica, and technical some loops or some manipulate command in Mathematica, all of the stuffs here, and then it will describe the how to non-dimensionalize the equation to solve it in terms of this physics computational coding, and then he will describe random walk, the first passage problem, how to write function in Mathematica, how to write module in Mathematica, and also he will describe the phase space trajectory Monte Carlo method, and lastly he will describe the random walk and also the first passage problem. And here also you can watch the video in this course platform itself, and also you can watch the videos in YouTube, and there are lots of assignment, but it is not uploaded yet, I think. So yeah, so this is the second course. The third course is basically by A.C. Verma. So Professor Harish Chandra Verma gives nice lectures on this learning physics to simple experiment, which basically called SHARP. So this course is basically described with lots of experiment like in optics, mechanics, electricity, magnetism, oscillation and waves, and there are lots of experiment like how to understand the Curie temperature, the shadows of electrolinear motion, like angular momentum, like conical pendulum, all oscillatory pendulums, and this let's say this centripetal force, non-inertial frame, all of the things, Fermat principle, reflection. So all of the experiment he will do by his hand, and then he will describe the theory behind it, which is basically very helpful. And you can just imagine that he just describe the theory as well as this experiment, and which will clear many of your idea about this physical phenomena which is happening everywhere in our environment. So this course is very helpful. If you do this course, then very good. So it is very helpful course. Now the fourth course is also by A.C. Verma. So there are basically 3 courses, so which is basically basics of special theory of relativity, and quantum mechanics, and advanced course on special theory of relativity. So they are all offered by A.C. Verma, and here basically in this course it is a certification course and it is free of cost, so that is the main point. So they basically they describe this basic in these basic courses, basic course of special theory relativity describe the Galilean transformation, Michelson-Morley experiment, time dilation, relativity of simultaneity, velocity transformation, etc. And in advanced course he described the later part of this course. So this is what is going on. So in quantum mechanics course he will describe many things like phenomena related to quantum mechanics, probability effect, and also simple harmonic oscillator, Compton effect, and say some well like square well, rectangular well, all of the stuff will be described in this course. So these are the 3 courses you can access here. So now fourthly, so okay, so there is a web page. So in this web page you can there is a computational physics web page, so where you can just access the lecture notes, so that will be helpful for you. So here basically it is written in C++, so you can just access this lecture. So you can, there is a link given, so you can just access the lecture. So they are about numerical libraries, roots finding problem, interpolation, differentiation, all of the things. So this basically this Professor Agonunov, so he just described this, he just described his course lecture notes from here. So here you can access the lecture notes, they are freely available in internet. So let's see what we have in 6th. So 6th is basically a summer course, so which is ongoing. So this is a Bangalore Summer School on Statistical Physics. So basically here there are lots of earlier school and their lectures have been uploaded already. So let's say for this course, let's say there are lots of courses and you can just download the reading material from here. There are lots of eminent lecturer and professor who give talk here, and you can just access the lectures from here. And also if you just if you want to see the talks, you can just type this talk pattern and you can just watch the video lecture, right? So there are preparatory lectures on the statistical mechanics and all of the things. So there are lots of lectures every year. It basically occurred every year. They basically organize this type of summer school, and you can just apply and you can also this access. But you can, if you haven't applied, don't need to worry, you can just access the earlier school's video lecture. So there are lots of lectures, so you can just access here. So this is the right season, and there are lots of other schools also going on. So you can just type current and upcoming, so you can have a look on this. There are lots of other school is going on, so you can just apply and you can just so there are lots of school has been cancelled due to this COVID-19, but there are other courses, other schools and other lecture notes, seminars, so which you can access. So okay. So this course is basically the SWAM portal. So in this portal you can just access your physics courses whichever have been done and which has been yet to be done. So here you can just, if you just select this category to be okay, select this category to be NPTEL domain, and then if you just select this to be okay, first you have to select this national coordinator, let's say NPTEL, and then you select this category. Okay, so here you can just select the course categories, like here there must be somewhere physics. Okay, so there is photonics. Okay, so yeah, so okay, math and sciences. So if you type math and sciences and then if you type physics, so you can have the courses here. So there are lots of courses which you can access, which with the enrollment and lectures are free, but if you want to have the exam which is conducted all over India, so then you need to pay something because of this for certificate. If you need certificate, then you need to pay, but otherwise you don't need to pay. You just you can access the video lectures freely. So let's see what is this. Yeah, so this is a good book on Python, computational physics or by Python. So you can just access this book. This is also freely available in internet. If you just search computational physics by Python, you will get this book. So you can have access this book, and it is a good book basically. Let's see what's next. Okay, so this is also there is also lots of Python programs which are written in Python. So anybody who knows Python this will be helpful for you. But if you don't know Python, don't worry. It will start from the beginning. It is basically this is basically the remaining part of the book of the computational physics by Mark Newman. So there are lots of programs, and you can also download all of them in a single zip file, and you can run this in your computer. Okay, let's see what is this. Okay, so this is basically very good lecture on classical physics by Professor V. Balakrishnan of IIT Madras, retired professor of V. Balakrishnan. So there are 37 lectures, so which are basically very helpful, and you can access all of them, and they are basically very good lecture on this classical physics. And this one is basically using if you want to learn LaTeX to write document, report, presentation, if you want to make presentation and other stuff, so you need to use LaTeX. So which you can, this Overleaf is an online platform where you can just make, and you can just register yourself using your email ID, and you can just enjoy LaTeX. So you can also learn LaTeX from it. So if you just write overleaf.com, so if you can learn LaTeX from also this website. So there are lots of templates here which you can download. So bibliography, book, report, all of the stuff is here. So you can just learn LaTeX from here. So if you just type overleaf LaTeX tutorial, so there will be a page open. So if you just go through this lecture, how to create a document in Overleaf, all of the stuff is here described here. So there is a very good tutorial by this Overleaf course website, and it is an online LaTeX platform. So you can just compile your LaTeX code and you can make your documents. So lastly, there is a video lecture by this tutorials point. So it's on MATLAB. So if you want to learn MATLAB, you can just access to this lecture. So this is by tutorial point. So there is lots of stuff here, so you can just run MATLAB from here, and also all of the stuff here. So this is how the courses are going, and this is how basically you can learn in this pandemic situation. So I think this will help you, and that's all for today. So I hope you like this video. Please like if you like this video, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and also like the video and share the video if you like. Thank you.